Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix music haptics not working on iPhone iOS 18. So I'll show you how to fix the music haptics not working issue in your iOS 18. So the first step is to enable music haptics. To do this, open settings. From here, tap on accessibility. Scroll down and find option labeled as music haptics. You'll find it here. And if it is turned off, toggle it on. Now from here, as you can see, it will show you available apps. Tap on this available apps, and as you can see, music settings, app that support music haptics. If you want to play a sample, you can tap on play sample and you can stop the sample. Now step 3, app compatibility. Once music haptic is enabled, scroll down at the bottom screen and you will find the apps that support this feature. Currently only Apple Music support music haptics. Unfortunately, other music streaming service or audio players do not activate this feature. So if you want to test this, you can test this with Apple Music. If you want to test it, you can test with Apple Music. You can tap on music and you can test music haptics from here. If music haptic is still not working after following the previous step, try this troubleshooting method. The first method is to restart your device. Just press volume up button once, down once, hold the right side key until the Apple logo appears, and then restart your device. If still the problem persists, the next step is to update your software. Go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update and update your software. If still the problem persists, ensure your media volume is not muted or too low. If it is muted, make sure the media volume is high. After doing these all things, if nothing works, you can try resetting all settings and then try it again. That's it. Thanks for watching.